Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's talk about folding. If you have little space in your closet, this is the video you want to watch to learn how to fold your bulky coats or jackets and even not so bulky ones. Or maybe you want to store them now with the coming of spring and warmer weather. Spread your jacket on a flat surface face up. Zip it up or button it up. Fold the bottom like this. Make sure it's nice and even. Take one arm and flip it inside. Then take the other arm and flip it inside. Roll it tight all over. Flip it inside that pocket that was created, and that's it. This method keeps your jacket nice and compact, helps saving space, and makes an excellent traveling pillow. You can do this with any kind of bulky jackets, and you will be amazed how much space you can save. If you will dig into your box or drawer to take something, it won't unfold because that pocket is keeping everything tight. There is another way you can do this fold, and I will show it to you now. Spread your jacket on a flat surface face up. Put an arm like this and the other arm over. Roll it always from the top part, keeping it nice and tight. Open the inside of your jacket and flip it in on itself, then flatten it out. If you are traveling and you are not wearing your coat, it can take up a lot of space in your luggage. You just have to make it more compact or transform it into a traveling little pillow. On my channel, I have a lot of videos regarding folding. If you are interested, I will link my folding playlist at the end. You can organize like this your jackets into a basket, into a drawer, on a shelf in your closet. You will save space and it will look nicer. This method helps especially if you don't have much hangers space. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!